This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery replace. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Press the safety catch under the bonnet to release it. Open the bonnet. The battery is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment as viewed from the driver's seat. Open the cover to gain access to the battery. Note that some models have an insulated cover. Disconnect the battery's negative lead first by undoing the nut and moving the lead out of the way. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver, release the clips at the bottom of the front section of the battery box. Now lift the front section of the battery box out of the car. Slacken the positive terminal nut and move the cable out of the way. Unscrew the retaining clamp nut and lift the battery out of the car. Use the battery's handle if available. Take care, the battery is heavy. Position the battery in the tray and refit the retaining clamp. Connect the positive terminal connection and tighten the nut before fitting the front section of the battery box. It should clip into place. Now reconnect the negative terminal. Smear the terminals with petroleum jelly before refitting the battery cover. Make sure it clips into place. Lower the bonnet and close it securely.